It's my anxiety.
Look, shit got me tripping. Fighting with my demons, and my demons is winning. I feel like don't nobody ever feel how I feel, and I ain't never sober, baby girl. I get hot still. She said, boy, don't sip lean and pop pills. It's 50 degrees, and I can tell that you hot still, but I don't know what you on. Feel so right, you do wrong. Can't buy love, it don't come with a coupon, and they'll never catch it like a nigga with no arms. Baby, I'm tripping, my feelings been frying me. I blame it all on anxiety. I had 2 chops with the stick like I'm Chinese. Gotta keep it, I know how this life be.
I'm unstoppable.